Hey y'all, it's Haley
And Tabatha.
and we just want to let you know today about our awesome ZO Skin Health February specials. Do you want pretty skin in 2021?
Yeah, like I wanted it in 2020 and in 2018 and all the ones before.
You've had it like at least for the past couple of years since we started using ZO here.
That's right.
ZO is like our favorite thing ever. It is truly transformational for your skin, and we have some awesome specials we want you to take advantage of this month so you can have radiant skin this year as well.
It's so important to take care of your skin at home. We love in-office procedures, but it's very important to use skincare at home to help maintain your skin's health and help procedures work better and maximize results. So you have to have both. No lie.
So real quick, I'm going to tell you about the few things we've got going on this month. First of all, you can meet with one of your very own ZO Skin Health experts for free, and we will spend as much time as it takes to customize a skincare protocol that is specific to your needs.
Yes, whatever condition you may have. I mean, it provides a range of solutions for every body. So let us get you on a customized skincare protocol and a treatment plan to fit your needs.
The second thing going on is if you buy your Prevent and Correct products, you will get your GSR products, which stands for Getting Skin Ready, for free. So we have this little kit here.
That's your segment one, all for free.
Cleanse, polish,
Tone.
3 of the best products and what every single person needs to be on for free. It's a great deal.
Yes, and you can be entered into a drawing to win, like $500 in ZO products? Is that what it is? Like a basket?
So definitely when you come in to talk to one of us, ask us how you can qualify for that awesome prize. Because, I mean, I want that prize.
I mean, I work here and I would still love to have it. We're obsessed and we cannot get enough of it.
So if you want to be as excited as we are about your skincare, then come in, schedule a consult with us this month, 225-767-2686 to get a hold of Sarah.
Yes, and if you're not loving what you're on now, come see us. There's no harm in it.
Even if you do love what you're on, ZO's better. Sorry.
But do you really love what you're on? We want you to love it, and we know you will if you get on a plan here.
So, February only, come be our Valentine.